Hello friends, my name is Rajneesh Chadha and I have over 30 years of experience in IT, primarily in the domain of program execution. Today I wanted to discuss a very important topic which is related to today's scenario, which is COVID-19. How will COVID-19 impact various program managers, project leaders? I very seriously think it's going to be survival of the fittest, unfortunately. And since there are different assignments which anyway have declined, there would be a lot of problem for the leaders or the managers, I should say, who have not taken precautions toward this. So less proficient managers will definitely have a difficulty maintaining their status during this period. So what should one do? One should basically upskill himself or herself. Now, what are these areas which are required to be upskilled? These areas are being proficient in remote management. Now, managing people face to face and managing people remotely are absolutely two different things. Therefore, focus should be there on learning how to remotely manage people or teams. There are different softwares, one can learn those softwares, and there are different techniques, those also can be practiced and learned. There are some newer technologies one can take advantage of, because the workload more or less nowadays has not been as acute as it would be. At least the commute time to office to and fro is being saved, if nothing else. So there are various technologies that definitely can be learned. For example, artificial intelligence, for example, machine learning, for example, IoT, blockchain. These are all newer technologies that one can venture into, learn them, because more and more opportunities are going to be coming into those areas. That's another aspect. Then people should be very, very active nowadays on social media. Keeping social distance is all right, but keeping distance from social media is not all right. So please be very active on social media so that you are seen by the community that you are a very active and knowledgeable project or program manager. And then immerse yourself, whatever current assignment you have. Don't take it lightly that since it's being done remotely, it does not matter. It does matter, and greatly. Immerse yourself completely in the current assignment and ensure that you over-deliver whatever you have at hand. That will at least establish you as an extremely proficient manager, and you definitely will gain confidence of the management also. Another point is just be outcome oriented. In these difficult times, being in office used to be story, which is a bygone. Nowadays, it has to be outcome oriented approach that one has to take. Because in the evening or after a week or after a month or on a milestone, what would be seen would only be the outcome. So be outcome oriented and ensure that your outcome is always in focus. Then its excellence one must be focused on. Whatever you are doing, as I said, should be over-delivered. Whether it's delivery, whether it's quality, whether it's schedule, whether it's empathy, whatever you are approaching in a program, it should be done with a direct approach to excellence. You should always over-deliver. Use 5 pillars of excellence framework if possible. And that also may help you greatly in achieving what you're wanting to achieve. Just be agnostic to anything in the situation of today, whether it's location, whether it's technology, whether it's organization, anything you should be agnostic of. Just be outcome oriented. So I thought these are some of the areas that you should be focusing on. Last but not the least, have these 3 P's in your perspective always. The positivity, the peaceful, and the productivity focus. Practice these 3 P's and I'm sure you will do extremely well in your current or next assignment that you are going to be taking up. If you've liked this video, please go ahead, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you get the videos first as they are posted on my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.